I am beautiful, an enchantress for the world. I come throwing love glances, giving companionship to my Atma self. I am the seat of compassion. I bring auspiciousness and blessings. I bring comfort. I dissolve the mistakes of this lifetime. I show myself the path. Soft-spoken and mother of the world, I am the goddess who makes all life blessed. I will take you in my lap. I am the mother who is pure. I am cool like the moonlight. I am a boat for crossing an ocean of difficulties. I release worldly congestion. I bring new joys. Come, am I not the mother of the world? I am the goddess of learning, a fountain of knowledge. I grant the gift of loving pervasively. I am Devi, the highest resplendent light. I glide like a swan on the water. Presiding over all creation, I join my hands and bow, full of love for what I have created. Throwing love glances all around, I am resplendent light.